First run, Modern Street Hemi Shootout, Atco, New Jersey.
Pro Charger, point time performance, an EWE tuner. Thank you to our 2020 sponsor.
He's gonna be happy.
11.3. Not bad. See what the time slip says. Okay, here comes the slip. All right, round number 2. Showing 11.2 again. Oh, that reaction time, man. I'm just not used to that pro tree. It just comes up so quick. So I did better on the 0 to 60 according to performance pages. It says 3.2. Damn, that's awesome. 11.21 at 121.76. Okay, we are going for round 3. Been getting a little better each time. Still not hitting that launch though. That pro tree is just killing me with no countdown.
He's getting there. He's slowly going down. Huh? Huh?
Yeah, you see that?
Yeah. Are you pumped?
My reaction time was shit, man.
Yeah, I know.
I was
but
up there making a sandwich.
when well, you were asleep at the wheel, but
Yeah, well, it's man.
were you pumped to get your low 11s?
Yeah, it felt good. It definitely hooked good. I revved it a little bit. I don't know exactly what RPM I took it up to, but I was revving
It
a
sounded
little
good. It sounded good off the line.
Yeah.
What did you
Yeah.
feel? Did you feel like there was any slipping or anything
No,
like that?
I didn't, but I
It
felt
felt
like
good?
I could have given it more.
Okay. So now you know.
Now I know. Yeah,
All right.
because I was a little bit tentative taking off.
Do you feel like the track prep is a little bit better than the
Yeah.
last drag race that you did? Yeah. So you see,
Yep.
you could probably improve on this now.
Yeah, I think so. So this is saying I did an 11.0 quarter at 1:24. My 0 to 60 was 3.1. Holy crap. 8th mile was 7.1 at 99 miles an hour. Quarter mile was 11.0 at 1:24. I tell you, this cooler night air makes a big difference. Thank you. You're welcome. 11.090. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Wow, best one of the day. I'm packing it in after that. Even I lost anyway. Man, that's fantastic. I'm really happy with those times. Really happy. Thanks for coming along today, guys. It was a blast. I want to thank RT Life for taking some footage for me and just really having a great time here.
You broke out more than me, huh?
11.0.
11.090. That's the heaviest loser I see all day. I didn't even care. I was like,